Alright, y'all, so it's the next morning. I don't know if y'all can tell, but we at a different junkyard, and I finally got the piece that I need, so we gonna make it, bro. We gonna make it. That's all that matters. So I'm gonna go ahead, turn the camera around. I already did the work because I was in a rush, so I'm gonna go ahead, turn the camera around and show y'all what I done found and what I got, because I got some other stuff, too. Alright, so I found this. I don't know what year this is, 04. It had the right ring that I needed. With the S-clip, I don't know if the spline count is the same, but if not, then I'll just come back and get these axles. But I got that piece. It all looked the same, honestly. Got that piece, that spider gear fell out, but I'm gonna take this ring off, pull the spider gears out of it. I'm gonna get the best of all of them, because even this one got kind of a little messed up on the teeth. So I'm gonna grab that one. I'm gonna grab this pin. I found this part. I didn't know these could come off because my bolt from that one is stripped out, so I only got one bolt in my brake caliper. And I found me some new headlights. So don't gotta buy none of those. Hopefully these end up being cheap. Got that one. And all I gotta do left now is get this one right there. And I think all you need is a 10 to get that bar off right there. So I'm finna go ahead and grab that off. I'm gonna put everything in the wheelbarrow because I just found it. And then we're gonna go check out because it's still kind of early, as you see, but we still gotta fix all this stuff to put it in the other car. So, and I still need to get me a racket pin from somewhere. I would get this one off this car since I'm here, but this one kind of dirty and I don't want a dirty one. So I'm gonna go find what I can. So let me go ahead and get this corner light out, and I'm gonna get back up with y'all when we headed to go pay, because as you see, we had a U-pull it, not a pick and pull.
A few moments later.
Alright, y'all, so we made it back to the house. Now it's time to start disassembling this one. I really want to keep this one, but we're gonna go ahead and start disassembling this one, and we're gonna go ahead and knock this one out. So when we get the other rear end out the car, because I already got it all broke down. So when I get it all took apart, then we can just swap on the parts over. So, like this. Check these out. So, the first one, see how these people treated this ring in. Okay, that's really decent. See, these didn't even have carbons in it. They just got these straight metal. Get some line-ups. This one. See, that's good. And now we gonna slime it all. But they ain't bad though. It might have still been a good LSD in it. Alright. These is what we needed. what we needed. Now we finna go get the other ring out the car, and we finna break that one down too, and get to this point. Alright y'all, so now it's time to take out this other one. Definitely been using these, I ain't gonna lie. It ain't barely, ain't even no more carbon on these. I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but these things wore down. It's cool though. That's what it's supposed to look like. That's what this one look like. That wasn't that bad. This one right here though. These is on a different level. These kind of bent up. But this what these look like. These really ain't no better. Like what would cause that? I wonder if that's what that knocker was doing. It's probably the best one. You can still see carbon a little bit on it. Probably not on the camera, but I know I can see it in person. y'all. So we got the rear end we put back together. Got the S clip in, S spring, whatever you want to call it. Got these in. One thing I did notice is these gears, like this gear and this gear, was smaller than that one. And that one is a 31 spline, this one is a 28. So now I gotta go back to the junkyard, get the axles and the cross pin, because the cross pin a little bit smaller on this one too. So gotta go back to the junkyard, but luckily I got all those pieces I already took apart. So gotta go get the axles, get the cross pin, and then we can put this back in the car, because I think even still with it being a little bit smaller, I should be alright to drive it. Like, I don't think it's gonna have no major issues. So we got that put back together. We got that. Now the only thing we gotta go get is, like I said, the cross pin and the axle. So we finna go ahead and do that while it's still daylight, and we'll be good. And yeah, that's about it. Even this was smaller. The S clip, like, this one was smaller than this one. Was like a tad bit. This one was a tad bit smaller than this one, so I went ahead and put the big one on. So we ain't got no issues with that. So as you've seen, these side ones, they kind of locked in place. You know, that's a good thing. So we got that put in. Now all we gotta do is head to the junkyard. Now, see y'all back at I probably won't record the junkyard because I already did that already. So I'll catch y'all back when I get everything I need, and we're gonna be putting this back in the car real soon. Look.